Hi guys, welcome back to R.E.C channel. I'm Hannah again. Let's read a new story today with me, kids. Are you ready? It is Baby Animals. Here we go. A baby cat is called a kitten. A baby cow is called a calf. A baby deer is called a fawn. A baby lion is called a cub. A baby goat is called a kid. A baby horse is called a colt. A baby goose is called a gosling. A baby kangaroo is called a joey. A baby dog is called a puppy. So that is the end of our short story today. Thank you. Please share the story, huh? I will see you next time. Bye-bye.
R.E.C. Academy of Key Future Leaders.